Now students, let us start with the second exercise of the probability, exercise 14.2. The question is, a coin is tossed once. Then if it turns up a head, a die is thrown once. And if it turns up a tail, it is tossed twice more. So first of all, let us see, a coin is tossed once means we get head or tail. Then if it turns up a head, then a die is thrown once. Die is thrown once means we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if it turns up a tail, it is tossed twice. अगर tail आता है, then coin is thrown twice. And tail like this. Now students, the sample space will be like this: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, or THT, TTH, THH or TTT, like this. So this is the sample space. Now students, this is the first part, describe the sample space. So this is the sample space. Now we have to define the events. Event A. Event A is exactly one head. Exactly one head occurs. Exactly one head. Now students, we have to write those sample points in which exactly one head occurs. So that is our event A. Exactly one head. So we can write H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 and THT also, because here also exactly one is occurring, and TTH इसमें भी हमारे पास एक ही एड आ रहा है. So these are the points for A, event A. Event A क्या है? Exactly one head occurs. So we will write only those points, those elements in which we are getting only one head. So it will be H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and then THT and TTH. Second event B is at least two tails. At least two tails occurs. At least two tails occurs, or number greater than 4. At least two tails means two tails or more than two tails. Now again we have to write the sample points. Two tails, THT, because at least means two or more than two tails. So two tails, more than two tails means TTT also, and number more than 4. More than 4 means we can write H5 and H6 also. So these are the cases for event B. At least two tails means two tails or more than two tails, means we can take two tails or three tails. So these are the cases for two tails, and this is the case for three tails. More than 4 means H5 or H6. So these are the cases for event B. So this is the students' first question. I hope this is clear to you. Now students, let us see the cases when two dice are thrown together. When two dice are thrown together, there are 36 cases. And I have made this table again. And these are the 36 cases when two dice are thrown. So these are the 36 cases. Now students, when two dice are thrown, then minimum sum, as I told you earlier, minimum sum is 2 and maximum is 12. So when two dice are thrown, then the sum varies from 2 to 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I have written the cases. When sum is 2, then there is only one case, 1 and 1. When two dice are thrown and we want sum is 2, so there is only one case. सम इज 3, उसके हमारे पास दो केस बनते हैं 2 1 और 1 2। व्हेन सम इज 4, उसके लिए हमारे पास तीन केस बनते हैं 2 2 1 3 और 3 1। व्हेन सम इज 5, वी हैव फोर केसेस 2 3 3 2 4 1 एंड 1 4। व्हेन सम इज 6, we have five cases 3 3 5 1 1 5 2 4 and 4 2. Sum is 7, we have six cases 3 4 4 3 2 5 5 2 6 1 and 1 6. When sum is 8, we have again five cases 6 2 2 6 3 5 5 3 and 4 4. Sum is 9, 4 5 5 4 6 3 and 3 6. Four cases. Sum is 10, we have three cases, you can see 5 5 6 4 and 4 6. Sum is 11, we have two cases 6 5 and 5 6. Sum is 12, we have two cases 6 and 6. So students, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं, इसको आप नोट कर लेना और ये हम जब क्वेश्चंस करेंगे उसमें बड़ा हेल्पफुल रहेगा. नाउ वी विल यूज दिस इन क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. Now students, question number 2 is two dice are thrown and sum of numbers which comes up on the dice is noted. Now event A. Event A is sum is even. Event A is sum is even. So sum is even means sum may be 2, maybe 4, maybe 6, maybe 8, maybe 10 or maybe 12. Sum is even. So it means sum may be, so it means sum may be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So students, here we can write all the cases. Sum is 2, there is only one case. Sum is 4, we have three cases 2 2 1 3 and 3 1. Sum is 6, you can see from here, sum is 6, we have five cases. So writing all these cases over here, 3 3 5 1 1 5 2 4 and 4 2. Sum is 8, five cases 6 2 2 6 3 5 5 3 and 4 4. Sum is 10, 5 5 6 4 and 4 6. Sum is 12 is 6 6. So these are the cases for event A. Then event B. Sum is multiple of 3. Sum is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means either 3 or 6 or 9 or 12. So write the cases. Sum is 3 means we can write 2 1 and 1 2, two cases. Sum is 6. मल्टीपल मीन्स सम या तो 3 होगा या 6 या 9 या 12. सो वी आर राइटिंग द केसेस 3 3 देन 5 1 1 5 2 4 and then 4 2. Sum is 9, four cases 4 5 5 4 6 3 and 3 6 and sum is 12, then it is 6 6. So sum is 3, sum is 6 and sum is 9 and sum is 12. This is event B. Now event C. Sum is less than 4. Sum is less than 4. Sum is less than 4. 4 से कम. Less than 4 means sum will be 2 or 3. Don't take 4 because less than 4. So here the cases will be 1 1, 2 1 and 1 2. Sum is less than 4 means either sum is 2 or sum is 3. So cases will be 1 1 means sum is 2, 2 1 and 1 2 means sum is 3. And D is sum is greater than 11. Sum is greater than 11. So greater than means only 12. Greater than 11 means only 12. So here only one case, only 6 6. Now students, in this question he is asking that which pair of these events are mutually exclusive. Now students, what is the meaning of mutually exclusive events? Now students, two events A and B are said to be. I am writing over here. Two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive when A इंटरसेक्शन B इज फाई. मीन्स दो इवेंट्स A और B को हम म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव तब बोलते हैं अगर A और B में कोई भी पॉइंट कॉमन ना हो. एग्जाम्पल, लेट अस टेक एग्जाम्पल. इवेंट A is a king card. Event A is a king card and event B is a queen card. Now students, here in events A and B, event A is king card and event B is queen card, and there is nothing is common between king card and queen card. So it means A intersection B will be phi in this case, right? So it means A and B are mutually exclusive events. A and B are mutually exclusive, right? Now let us take another example. Suppose we have A is event that face cards and B is the event of king cards, right? Event A क्या है? face cards और event B क्या है? king card. Now students, we know that there are 12 face cards. हमारे पास face cards जो होते हैं वो कौन कौन से होते हैं? face cards are kings, queens and jackals. These are the face card, right? 4 kings, 4 queens and 4 jackals. And second event B is king cards. So it means face cards में और king card में these king cards are common. So it means here A intersection B is not phi. A intersection B जो है वो phi नहीं है. So it means A and B are not mutually exclusive over here, right students? A and B, A is face card और B is king card. अब face card में और king card में king card जो है वो common है, वो इवेंट ए में भी आएंगे और इवेंट बी में भी है. सो इट मीन्स यहाँ पर जो है हमारे पास जो है वो कॉमन आ रहे हैं. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है कि ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज़ नॉट फाई. सो इट मीन्स ए एंड बी आर नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव ओवर हेयर. ए एंड बी we can write over here A and B are not mutually exclusive over here. सो इस केस में म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव हैं, इस केस में नहीं है. अगर ए इंटरसेक्शन बी फाई होगा इट मीन्स इवेंट्स आर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव एंड इफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज नॉट फाई देन इवेंट्स आर नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. अब इस सम में हमने बताना है कि कौन कौन सी इवेंट्स जो हैं वो म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव बनेगी. नाउ फर्स्ट सी ए एंड बी. ए और बी में कुछ सैम्पल पॉइंट्स कॉमन हैं. 6 and 6, 5 1, 1 5, 2 4. बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स जो हैं ए और बी में कॉमन हैं. सो इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? फर्स्ट, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज नॉट फाई. सो इट मीन्स नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव ए एंड बी. देन ए एंड सी. ए एंड सी में 1 1 इज कॉमन. देन ऑल्सो 2 1, 1 2, 1 1 इज कॉमन. अगर एक सैम्पल पॉइंट भी कॉमन है देन आल्सो नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. सो ए इंटरसेक्शन सी इज आल्सो नॉट फाई. सो क्या आएगा? नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? देन ए एंड डी 6 6, यहाँ भी 6 6 है. सो इट मीन्स ए इंटरसेक्शन डी इज आल्सो नॉट फाई. सो नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. देन बी एंड सी, सारे केस हमें देखने पड़ेंगे. बी एंड सी, बी और सी में 1 1, 2 1, 2 1 इज here also and here we have 2 1 is also here in C. So it means B intersection C जो है that is also not 5, so not mutually exclusive. Then B and D, 6 6 और 6 6, B में भी हमारे पास सैम्पल पॉइंट 6 6 है और D में भी है, तो इस मीन्स B इंटरसेक्शन D is also not 5, so not mutually exclusive. Then C and D, now इवेंट C और D में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, सो C इंटरसेक्शन D इक्वल टू 5, इसमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, सो इट मीन्स they are mutually exclusive. So event C and D are mutually exclusive. Right students? So ये सारे केस हमें देखने पड़ेंगे. So you can see one by one. First A and B, then A and C, then A and D, B and C, then B and D, and then C and D. अगर कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है then events are mutually exclusive. अगर एक भी सैम्पल पॉइंट कॉमन आ रहा है then it means events are not mutually exclusive. Now students, sum number 3. Two dice are rolled. A is the event that sum of numbers shown on the two dice is 5. Event A is sum of numbers. Sum of numbers on two dice is 5. So here we can take 2 3, 3 2, 4 1 and 1 4. B is the event that at least one of the die, at least one of the dice show up 3. At least one die shows up 3. So here the cases will be 1 3, 2 3, 3 3, 4 3, 5 3, 6 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6, like this. Now here हमने बताना है कि क्या इवेंट्स जो हैं दे आर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव एंड एग्जॉस्टिव. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स हियर 2 3 is common, and then 3 2 is also here, so it means A intersection B is not 5. A intersection B is not 5, so therefore A and B are not mutually exclusive, are not mutually exclusive नहीं है, बिकॉज इसमें सैम्पल पॉइंट्स जो हैं वो कॉमन आ रहे हैं, सो दीज इवेंट्स A and B are not mutually exclusive. Now second is exhaustive. Two events A and B are said to be exhaustive, if A union B is equal to sample space. This is the definition. Two events A and B are said to be exhaustive if A union B equal to S. Now here, if I find out A union B, so if I find out A union B, then it will be 1 3, 2 3, 3 3, 4 3, 5 3, 6 3, then 3 1, 3 2, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, and then 4 1 and 1 4. So A union B will be these points, and this is not equal to sample space, because when two dice are thrown then sample space will have 36 points, 36, and here we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So A union B is not equal to sample space, so therefore A union B is not equal to sample space. So therefore A and B are not exhaustive events. Now students, let us see with the fourth question. From a group of 2 boys and 3 girls, 2 children are selected at random. Describe the events. So first of all, let us make the sample space when there are 2 boys and 3 girls. Let us take 2 boys as B1 and B2 and 3 girls as G1, G2, G3. So students, the sample space will be like this: B1 and G1, B1 and G2, B1 and G3, then B2, G1, B2, G2, B2 and G3, then B1, B2, then G1 and G2, G1, G3 and G2, G3. So students, this is the sample space. Now first event is event A is event A है both selected children are girls. Both selected children are girls. So here the cases will be from sample points G1, G2. We can take G1, G2, G1, G3 and G2, G3. G1, G2, G1, G3 and G2, G3. So these are the cases when both selected children are girls. This is event A. Event B is the selected group consists of 1 boy and 1 girl. 1 boy and 1 girl. So here the cases will be B1, G1, B1, G2, B1, G3, B2, G1, B2, G2 and B2, G3, like this. So these are the cases when 1 boy and 1 girl. Event C, at least one boy is selected. At least one boy is selected. One boy, at least one boy. So here at least one boy means there may be 2 boys also. So B1, B2 can be here. B1, B2. Then take all the cases in which 1 boy is there. B1, G1, B1, G2, B1, G3, B2, G1, then B2, G2, then B2, G1. So these are the cases. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Now students, we have to which pair of events are mutually exclusive. Now see, A and B. In event A and B, nothing is common. So it means A intersection B is phi. So A and B are mutually exclusive. A and C. And between A and C also there is nothing common. So A intersection C is also phi. So A and C are mutually exclusive, right? Then between B and C, if we see between B and C, so between B and C, B1, G1, B1, G2 are common points. B1, G3 also, B2, G1 also. So it means B intersection C is not phi. So therefore B and C are not mutually exclusive. Now students, I hope this is very much clear to you. Students, I give you one example of exhaustive events. Let us take an example. Suppose a die is thrown. when a die is thrown, then sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? When a die is thrown, then the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Event A. Event A is number is even on the die. So we can write the cases number is even 2, 4, 6. Event B is number is odd. Number is odd. So we can write 1, 3 and 5. Now question is that event A and B are exhaustive events. So what we do? We find A union B. So if I find A union B, so I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A में इवेंट्स नंबर्स हैं 2, 4, 6. B में है 1, 3, 5. And when I find union, so we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is equal to sample space, because in sample space we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means A union B is equal to sample space. So it means A and B are exhaustive events. Right? A and B are exhaustive events, but A and B are not mutually exclusive. A और B में कुछ भी common नहीं है, तो it means A and B are not mutually exclusive, but A and B are exhaustive events.